After a cold front made landfall in the early morning hours of Tuesday, we're off to a windy start to the day over the western parts of South Africa. Rain is expected to spread to Namaqualand this afternoon as well as the south coast of the Western Cape, but otherwise it's going to be a dry day for the rest of the country. Mostly sunny conditions likely in the northern and eastern parts with lovely warm weather in KwaZulu-Natal as well as the Lowveld. Here's our rainfall forecast for today. A 60% chance of rain over the western parts of the Western Cape, some light snowfalls possible on the mountain ranges in the southwest, rain spreading to the south coast this evening and affecting Port Elizabeth overnight. Daytime temperatures will remain very low on the western high ground. 9 degrees in Sutherland today, 12 in Springbok, Vredendal cold as well with a maximum of 16, Port Elizabeth with a high of 17 degrees but much warmer than that along the east coast. Durban reaching 26 today, 25 in Pietermaritzburg. It will be warm over the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape as well, 22 in East London, Bishu with a high of 24. A mild afternoon in the Free State, Kimberley warmer at 22 degrees, Mahikeng with a high of 22 as well, and Pretoria warming to a maximum of 20. Along the west coast today, apart from rain, southwesterly winds up to 20 kilometers per hour along the Namaqualand coastline, stronger winds likely in the vicinity of Langebaan, and an open ocean swell reaching 4 meters by the late afternoon, while high tide is expected at approximately 10 to 4. The southwest coast today with strong winds in the morning, wind speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour along the Overberg coastline, slightly stronger in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas. Northwesterlies in the early morning hours become west to southwesterly in the afternoon. There's an open ocean swell as high as 5.5 meters. Along the southern Cape coastline, wave heights can reach 5 meters as well. West to southwesterly winds up to 35 kilometers per hour and wind speeds as high as 50 kilometers per hour towards Algoa Bay. Along the east coast with offshore winds, we're expecting a very pleasant afternoon. Wind speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. Stronger winds likely in the vicinity of East London with an open ocean swell of 2 meters.
News that moves. eNCA.com.